Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Shozab Tech. So today I am giving you the paid book of Python Data Science Handbook for free, really for free to you. And you can see this contains a lot of about data science in Python. You can numpy, manipulation with pandas, visualization and machine learning. Also many things more. You can see a lot of things about artificial intelligence and machine learning. You can see that all about skitlearn and many more things. You can see here naive base and you can see naive base and you can linear regression, simple regression. Okay, so I give you this machine learning, only machine learning chapter I give you. Okay, so what you have to do, go in my description and click on the link that I give to download machine learning. So click on this, and after you can, so first of all you have to subscribe my channel and then like my video, because I'm giving the paid course for free. So after doing this, you can click on download link, so you can download the files of the, you can download the PDF of machine learning. Okay, I give you the machine learning course known as machine learning notes. Okay, so please subscribe my channel, because I'm working very hard on this channel. Need this all, if you have to need this all documents for free, and all chapters of data manipulation, number, all thing you have need is to do plus the bell icon and subscribe my channel, so you get updates on my channel. And I upload next video on artificial intelligence. So in this I am giving the machine learning course free for free. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye.